Welcome to the next episode in this series of short video tutorials on how to digitize with Singer's Professional Sew-Ware Deluxe embroidery software, known as PSW Deluxe. My name is Tanya Owens, and I will be your guide through this series. In previous tutorials, you learned how to digitize designs and create custom lettering. In this tutorial, you will learn how to manipulate the objects in your design and how to edit the custom lettering you created with the lettering tool. The object list contains the objects, also known as blocks, for your embroidery design. The object list, seen in the lower portion of the application, is a useful tool for accurately viewing and identifying individual blocks in an embroidery design. It displays the order that blocks in your embroidery design will stitch out. If the object list is not displaying, select the Tools menu and click Show Hide Object List. You can also learn valuable information about each block, such as stop codes, the connection policy, and tie-offs. Right-clicking in the object list displays a menu that allows you to perform the following actions. Reorder blocks. You can move a block to the end, the beginning, or pick a specific position. Delete. You can delete a specific block or blocks in your design. This particularly comes in handy with stock designs where you want to embroider only part of the design. Delete stop. Stops are entered when there is a color change. If you delete a stop, you delete the color change. The next video demonstrates how to manipulate the objects in your design.
Has many editing features built in, giving you complete control over the design. To move or resize blocks or parts of a design, first be sure to exit any menu. Then click and drag a box around the section you want to select. Embroidery Studio will put a wireframe around the block. There are handles around the wireframe that allow you to modify the object in different ways. By pointing in the center of the wireframe, a four-way arrow appears, allowing you to reposition the object. Simply click and drag the block to the desired spot. The handles on the corners allow you to resize the object. The handles on the top and bottom allow you to stretch the height, while the handles on the sides allow you to stretch the width. To rotate the object, point to the dot in the center of the wireframe and click it for an extended period of time. The handles around the outside of the wireframe will change. The round handles on the corners will allow you to rotate the object. By right-clicking, you can choose to copy, paste a copied block, delete, and flip horizontally or vertically. You can also change the density in an object you have created or change the color of an object. To apply any changes you have made, right-click and click Apply. Sometimes it is difficult to select just one object or block without getting another block. In these cases, you can use the Object List. The Object List is found in the Tools menu. It lists each block in the design in a film strip at the bottom of the screen. You can click on any one of these blocks to select it. The wireframe will appear around the block selected. To select more than one block, press and hold the Control key on the keyboard. Then, click on the blocks you would like to select. Once you have the blocks selected, you can resize, rotate, or move the blocks as desired. You can also delete an unneeded color change by clicking on Delete Stop. You can reorder the section to the beginning, the end, or to a specific position. You can also reorder the design by clicking on a block and dragging it to the desired spot. The order of the blocks in the block list is the order in which they will sew.
The next video demonstrates how to edit lettering.
If there is text created by Embroidery Studio on the screen, the Edit Text icon will appear on the top toolbar when in the Edit menu. To edit the text, simply click on one of the letters in the text you would like to edit and then click on the Edit Text icon. Embroidery Studio takes the text back into the lettering portion of the program for editing. Here you can change the text or do anything you can while in lettering.
To learn more about lettering, see the lettering tutorials on my channel or refer to the PSW Deluxe manual. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. There are additional videos in this series, so please check my channel to view those videos. I have also written an in-depth guide called Digitizing with PSW Deluxe Embroidery Software that contains greater detail than is in these videos. You can purchase this guide from my website at www.tanyaowens.com/PSW-Deluxe. That information is also in the description below. Until next time, happy digitizing.